Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to look at a very special NFT, the DegenSol NFT, and this is a NFT worth its name. We're going to go in great detail. I'm going to talk about what this NFT is about, who are behind this NFT, and why this NFT is so sought out after. The website is DegenSolNFT.com. I'm going to put the link of it in the description below of my channel on the Educational Network. You can head over there and check it out. So what is this NFT all about? And the first impression that you get is that I'm going to crush you and throw you into my wallet. So it's a fun NFT. It's an NFT that has got a kick to it. This is an NFT that has a character. This has some potential, and obviously the reason why is the way it's developed. There's a supply of 4,444 Degens, and obviously the benefit that you get is that if you become a holder, you'll be then able to play in their casino. Holders will get 44% of the casino's earning and 50% of the royalties, and the copyrights under fair use laws, we are allowed to use the artistic style similar to the art in Dragon Ball universe, as well as we are not using any characters' names, but making it clear we're not officially affiliated with the Dragon Ball. And obviously that is one thing that a lot of people tend to ask me, that is this particular NFT a breakdown? It is connected with Dragon Ball. It is not connected with the Dragon Ball. This is the art that's been developed is inspired by different anime collections, and this is what gives it such a unique element to it. The artist has really put his soul and has created an art worth its name, and that is why this is an NFT that is so sought out after. The Sol NFT is a project based on the most popular and beloved form of Japanese comics called manga, and this is the first project of this type in which, additional to great emphasis on high quality artistic art of their NFT, they've taken care of their owners by sharing the profits from both the secondary market royalties and their casinos. And I feel that is a very special way of having a strategy implemented. They've taken care of their NFT holders, their users. And the reason why is the fact that they understood that the success of an NFT is not based on the marketing, but is based on the utility that is given to the users. The more the utility and the use of the NFT is there for the users, the more they would recommend it automatically, and the marketing will take place. So spending huge amount of money on marketing and not taking care of their NFT holders is something that is a strategy a lot of different NFTs tend to use, and I feel that it's a wrong strategy and it should not be used. The first priority should always be the NFT holders, and the NFT holders need to be looked out after. And obviously that is the reason why they have developed it in the manner that they've done. So the specs, they're 4 legendary, they're 440 epic, 800 rare, and 1,200 uncommon, and 2,000 common specs that are available that can be selected from. And the roadmap, I have not come across a roadmap of this nature till now, and the reason for that is that the roadmap is quite uniquely built. They have done everything that they have said, and they've done it in a very quick time. They have done it instantly. They have understood the mechanisms that are required to develop an NFT, to scale an NFT, to actually have an NFT in place for it to be launched. From launching all social media channels to an official website, providing in-depth project information, opening their secret servers and sharing their social medias, and making the NFT available in all NFT calendars in the world, and contests of choosing games for their casinos and launchpad providers, and listing on the secondary markets, and the casino development, and the casino income payouts, and the holders verification, and the royalties, and the token launch, and the staking pools, and the casino games, and the DAO, and the IR events for holders. Every single element, every single milestone, and every single strategy that needs to be created has been created by the DegenSol NFTs, and they've done it in a exemplary manner, if I must say. They've really got it together, and that is the reason why their team is one of the most unique teams that I've seen. These people, from Lucas, from Peter, and from Alex, are individuals that have developed this particular project and taken this to new heights. And you can check these guys out on the social media. These guys have a ton of experience in the NFT space. Guys, I'm not a financial advisor, so please make sure to do your own due diligence before investing, and never invest more than you're willing to lose. I've done a ton of reviews and overviews of play to earn games and NFTs and crypto that are available on my channel, Educational Network. You can head over there and check it out. The community tools that I feel that they have actually implemented are a very interesting tools, and they give a chance for the community to understand how things are done. and they're from the game development, from the snapshots, from the price charts, from the rarity balls, from the holder verifications, and from the payouts. Every single element is actually looked at, thought out, and developed in a manner that can be scaled. So guys, if you've not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon and share these videos with your friends and with your family so more people can actually benefit from it. And remember, if there's any questions whatsoever, you can always drop me a message on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is available on the About Us section of my Child Education Network, or you can drop me a comment in the comment section below on YouTube or on Facebook, and I will definitely reply back to you. So stay tuned for my next video. Until then, take care. Allah Hafiz.